Check valve or non-return valve is a most commonly used item in almost all industrial piping system. A check valve is a backflow prevention device which allows flow in one direction. Pressure of upstream side fluid opens the valve disc and fluid flows. Also, pressure from back side closes it, pressing the valve disc against valve seat. This is the function of a check valve. We have several types of check valves like swing check valve, dual plate check valve, lift check valve, non-slam or disc type check valve, tilting disc type check valve, multi-port swing check valve, diaphragm type check valve, single flap type check valve, ball check valve and stop check valve. In this video I have covered almost 10 types of check valves or non-return valves.
Now I will go through each and every type of check valve one by one. This is number one, swing check valve. From the construction you can see huge body, flanged end here, disc is here and hinge is here. It is very robust construction, and when fluid flows, disc is moved upward like this. This is the construction of swing check valve. You can see this is the cover, hinge pin, and this is the disc. Fluid flows like this, and this disc is opened like this. You can see cross-sectional view of the swing check valve like this. This is that disc and this is the hinge. And when fluid flows, fluid pressure lifts the disc up against gravity and it flows. Since this valve disc is having weight and weight is raised up against gravity, normally pressure drop through this valve is very high. Also, this valve takes more space to accommodate in the piping system. This is swing check valve.
Now you can see clearly how a swing check valve works and how the flap is raised against gravity.
This is next one, dual plate or dual flap type check valve. You can see here it is closed position, it is also closed position, and when fluid flows, these two flaps are folded. It is also called folded plate check valve. You can see here cross-sectional view of dual plate check valve. These are the two flaps spring loaded, and when fluid flows from this side, it opens like this. This type of dual plate check valve takes less space, and these two discs are placed in such a manner that it opens in horizontal plane, so that there is no gravity action, no against gravity action, and the pressure drop in this valve is less, and it is used in wide range from 2 inch to up to 48 inch like that. You can see various parts here, body, disc, hinge pin, like this. Some pictures of dual plate check valve. This is one picture, this is another picture, and you can see cross section of dual plate check valve here. Two folded plates, 1 and 2, spring loaded. You can clearly see here how a dual plate check valve opens and closes. You can now lift check valve. There are 2-3 types of lift check valves are there. One is piston lift type, another is ball type, and sometimes it is spring loaded. Suppose here it is spring loaded and here it is not spring loaded, it is a guided type. Construction is something like a globe valve. You can see like this, fluid is coming here and raising the disc up, then flowing this side. Here also fluid is coming and raising the disc up, compressing the spring and flowing. Due to this shape, actually pressure drop in this type of lift check valve is very high, because first of all due to the shape, and secondly due to the gravity effect. Against gravity we are lifting it, again we are compressing the spring. So for this type of valve, pressure drop is really very high. That's why it is used in high pressure line and in small diameter lines like 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, maximum up to 4 inch, not beyond that. Another view of disc check valve, you can see several parts like body, cover, disc, seat, all these. Then another view, this is cross-sectional view, you can see clearly this is inlet port, then this disc or ball is raised up against gravity, then it is flowing like this. From this side it is not possible to flow. You can clearly see here how a lift check valve opens and closes. It is another video of lift check valve. Rotary green color indicates the fluid which is lifting the disc of the lift check valve. Then another type is non-slam or disc type. This is a very simple but very much effective. One disc is there and spring is there, and this disc is while flowing, this disc is arrested in the disc guide like this, and this side flow is not possible. Another view we can see, this is also same thing, non-slam type or disc type check valve. This type of non-slam check valves can be used in both horizontal position as well as in vertical position, but for vertical position flow should be vertically upward, and it is also a sandwich type. In between two flanges it is mounted, but the size is of low size. It is available up to 2 inch or 3 inch or 4 inch, not beyond that, and it is very cheaper. You can clearly see here how a non-slam disc type check valve opens and closes. This is tilting disc type check valve. It is actually a modified shape of swing check valve. You can see here the disc also. It is the disc, hinge also there, but shape of the disc is as like a dome shape, where fluid when flows, this disc tilts. This disc will float over the fluid, and this type of valve can take very high turbulence, very high velocity, and very much effective, and at the time of backflow it closes very quickly. This is tilting disc type. It is also sandwich type, mounted in between two flanges. It is a cross section of tilting disc type. You can see it is the hinge. From hinge this tilting disc is suspended. Fluid comes from this side, goes, and when it comes from this side it closes. This is one tilting disc check valve. You can clearly see how tilting disc check valve is opening and closing. See, this is a multi-port swing check valve. This is also a modified version of swing check valve, because we should not use swing check valve for higher sizes above 24 inch. In that case, pressure drop will be huge due to heavy weight of disc. Here disc has been splitted in 2-3 small ports, and each port is having small swing disc, so that in case of flow will be through all the ports, and pressure drop will be less in this case. Say we want to use one 32 inch or 36 inch swing check valve. We should not use
ordinary swing check valve, we should use this type of multi-port swing check valve, so that pressure drop will be less. You can see these are the ports, 1 port, 2 port and 3 ports. See, this is a multi-port swing check valve. This is also a modified version of swing check valve, because we should not use swing check valve for higher sizes above 24 inch. In that case, pressure drop will be huge due to heavy weight of disc. Here, disc has been splitted in 2-3 small ports, and each port is having small swing disc, so that in case of flow will be through all the ports, and pressure drop will be less in this case. Say we want to use one 32-inch or 36-inch swing check valve, we should not use ordinary swing check valve, we should use this type of multi-port swing check valve, so that pressure drop will be less. You can see these are the ports, 1 port, 2 port and 3 ports. You can see here a very big multi-port swing check valve. This is 32-inch swing check valve, this one. This is having 2-3 ports inside. It's very huge. The big 32-inch multi-port swing check valve having 3-4 ports, and the valve is so big that it is supported also.
It is another type of check valve. We call it diaphragm type check valve. Here flexible diaphragm is used. This is flexible diaphragm. Sometimes we call it centering ring also. This is inlet port and this is exit port. And in case of backflow, this diaphragm is closed against the flow. This type of diaphragm valve is used for a low pressure or vacuum line and a small dia line. It is a diaphragm type check valve. You can see how it is closing and opening. Another type of check valve is there. We call single flap sandwich type check valve. It is functionally same as like swing check valve, but it is just a sandwich type check valve having swing disc. You can see this is the disc and this is the body. Entire valve is mounted in between two flanges, and against fluid pressure, this disc opens like this. You can see the cross-sectional view like this. So while flowing, disc will open like this. This is very cheaper and effectively used in between two flanges. It takes very less space, and functionally it is as good as swing check valve. We call it single flap type or wafer type, flangeless wafer type, sandwich type, single flap check valve. These are the pictures of single flap type check valve. You can see this is closed condition and it is open condition, only a single flap, and this entire valve is mounted in between two flanges as a sandwich. That's why it is called sandwich type check valve. Now ball type check valve. From the picture you can see one ball is there, spring loaded. While flowing, fluid will come and pass through here, but backflow cannot happen. Same thing here also. And in this type of ball check valve, you can have axial flow also, you can have perpendicular flow also, like this flow at 90 degree here, also here flow, and if you bifurcate flow in two directions, this side and this side, is also possible. This is bifurcating flow in two directions, and it is bifurcating flow in perpendicular direction. This type of valve also is used in small diameter line. Now stop check valve. This is also another kind of check valve, but here we want to use the check valve as a isolation valve also sometimes. It is as like a simple swing check valve. You can see disc is here. It will go up against flow and liquid will pass like this. But if you want to keep the disc closed always, this type of mechanism is given. That's why it is called stop check valve. That means we can use this valve as an isolation valve also.
Now, codes and standards for various check valves. From this slide, you can see several codes and standards like FEI 594, FEI 6D, FEI 598, MSS, and so many codes and standards are used for valve design. Now, materials of check valves. You can see here, I have described carbon steel check valve material, stainless steel check valve material standards, alloy steel check valve material standards. Similarly, for cast iron check valves, brass check valves, Monel check valves. Now, salient features of various type of check valves. First, swing check valve. It is having very robust design, long lasting. Leak tightness is also very good, but pressure drop is really very high because disc is uplifted against pressure. That's why it is used up to 24 inch. Then dual plate check valve, it is widely used up to 48 inch. Pressure drop is less also because two flaps are there and flaps opens in horizontal plane. There is no gravity action. Then piston lift check valve or ball type lift check valve. These are used in small diameter line and pressure drop is really very high because due to shape of globe type path. Then non-slam type is also used for lower size up to 3 inch or 4 inch and due to its cam shape it can be installed in between any type of flanges and it can be installed in any plane also. Pressure drop is also very low. Then tilting disc type. This type is a modified shape of swing check valve. Here the shape of disc is as a dome shape. Here pressure drop will also be less. Actually disc floats on the fluid at the time of operation. Pulsation, turbulent and high velocity, this type of tilting disc check valve can take. Valve life is also very good and can be used in dynamic piping system also. Then multi-port swing check valve. As I explained earlier that up to 24 inch we can use swing check valve, but beyond that if we use swing check valve then due to very high weight of disc there will be huge pressure drop. That's why that disc should have 2, 3 or 4 openings, small disc, those will be opened parallelly and pressure drop will be less. Suppose 32 inch, 36 inch swing check valve that should have multiple ports. Then diaphragm type valve is having a rubber flexible diaphragm inside which will prevent backward flow and this is used normally for small pressure, low pressure and vacuum system piping. Then single flap type check valve, it is a sandwich type check valve but functionally as like swing check valve. It is mounted in between two flanges, takes very low space also and it is very cheaper also. Then stop check valve. Stop check valve is as like a swing check valve, but only thing is that we can keep the valve in closed condition with some external device. That means this valve can be used for isolation purpose also. Then recommended type of check valves for various flow patterns. In this table, I have indicated various type of check valves which should be used in which fluid and in what kind of velocity like this. From this two table, you will get pattern of various recommended type of check valves. Now some important points related to installation of check valve. Like check valve should be installed as per flow direction indicated on valve body. Then check valve should have a straight length of 5D approx at upstream as well as downstream to have a smooth steady state flow. And check valve should not be installed directly on a pump discharge nozzle. And before installation, o-ring soft seal should be checked properly and flange tightening also should be done with proper torque so that there should not be any leakage through the flanges. I think I have explained all type of check valves properly. and similar type of video will be uploaded for various type of gate valves, globe valves, and other type of valves.